Today we're making two Korean dishes. The first is miyeok-guk or Korean seaweed soup. It's one of the most traditional foods eaten on birthdays in Korea. Many Koreans grow up eating it every year on their birthday, so it has a special meaning for us. We'll also make a simple side dish with garlic scapes, which are the long green stems that grow from garlic plants. Now let's get started. Oh, I almost forgot to mention something. For today's epilogue, I'll be sharing some photos and video clips from a business trip I took to the Philippines 2 years ago, so please stay until the end. I recently looked up why Koreans eat seaweed soup on birthdays. It is said to come from the tradition of mothers eating seaweed soup after giving birth. People believed it helped with recovery after childbirth. And over time, the soup became associated with birthdays as well. I also read that it naturally reminds people of their mothers and families. Do you have a special food that people eat on birthdays in your country? What you're seeing now is a vegetable called garlic scapes. In Korean, we call them maneljong. I've heard that they aren't very commonly eaten in many countries. They don't taste as strong as garlic itself, but they do have a noticeable garlic flavor. In fact, they can be a little sharp on an empty stomach. That's probably why they pair so well with rich and oily foods. This seasoning is commonly used in many Korean vegetable side dishes. It's sweet, tangy, and a little spicy, which makes it very flavorful. You don't have to use garlic scapes either. Feel free to try it with your favorite vegetables, either blanched or fresh. Suddenly I'm curious, how do you usually celebrate your birthday? To be honest, I've never considered birthdays to be a very big deal. Since I was young, I usually just had dinner with my family or shared a cake together. I never really did anything special. What about you? I'd love to hear about your birthday traditions in the comments. By the way, my sister is the one cooking in the video. I'm usually editing the videos from my own place. And honestly, watching all this food while editing is making me hungry too. The cucumber side dish you're seeing now is from a recent video we uploaded. I've added a link on the screen, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. These are the photos and video clips I mentioned earlier. My hotel was in Makati, so most of these were taken around the city. One thing I still remember is how excited I was to try Jollibee chicken for the first time. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.